Hey there everyone, in this video I will show you how to take a screenshot in laptop. So let's get started. First of all, I need to mention you that I am currently in Windows 11. So if you are on like Windows 7 or Windows 8, Windows 10, it doesn't matter. It will work both, all of them. Okay. So first thing first, what you need to do is to go to the search bar and search for a tool. Okay, search for a tool like snipping tool, SNIPPING, snipping tool. Just go with the snipping tool, and as you can see, here is the snipping tool. This snipping tool will allow you to take a screenshot of the particular page or particular section. So let's just go with the new. Just tap on the new, and now you need to select the particular area that you want to take a screenshot. Okay, so I will go with this part like this, and as you can see, we got a screenshot of particular part. So if you just want to save it, how we can do that is very simple. Again, you need to select this option right over here, save as. Just tap on that, and then from let's just do with the desktop and save it. So as you can see, we got the screenshot right over here. So that's how you can take screenshot in laptop. So hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like, and I will catch you guys in the pretty next one. Have a great day.